Nurses and healthcare workers are exhausted. The nurse-patient ratio is higher. Many nurses are working mandatory overtime. Most are torn between work and family, feeling that neither are getting their best and full attention. Due to the universal staffing shortages and increased patient acuity, many leaders press their staff to work longer and harder to increase the needed productivity. But one of the best ways to get the most from your nursing staff is to be empathetic. Research has shown that empathy makes people better managers, workers, family members, and friends. Some people are naturally more empathetic than others, but here are easy ideas anyone can do to increase empathy. Listen actively. Remove distractions and face the person. Look into their eyes. Only 7% of communication is verbal. Body language and facial expression convey empathy. And provide encouraging feedback, a smile, or maybe just a nod that says, "I understand." Recognize their emotions. Give them dedicated time to communicate how they feel. Don't immediately try to offer advice or fix things. Listen. And as you work together, demonstrate and verbalize respect for them and other nurses, operating as a team that cares for patients and each other. Begin shifts with 2 minutes of heart moments where nurses can share inspiring patient care stories. On the anniversary of their date of employment, or any day, write a note with recognition and gratitude. Instead of an exit interview, have stay-on interviews. Ask, what things keep you here? What frustrates you so much that sometimes you might want to leave? And what else would you like to tell me? And take a little time to know them personally and some of their family information. Ask them thoughtful questions to show them that you care. And remind them to care for themselves as they care for others. Help them nurture their bodies, minds, and spirits. Remind them to take a break, to eat a meal, to take a breath, or maybe just a walk or a visit to the chapel. Building empathetic, lasting relationships builds trust and rapport. It increases productivity, civility, retention, and creates happiness in the workplace, someplace everyone wants to work.